Brother Hassan? Tabibun Atibba'u. Okay? And that is also on the pattern of Af'ilahu. I'm going to explain you Atibba'u. Huh? Just write it down near it because it will be easy. Tabibun. And what is the pattern, brother? Af'ilahu. Huh? See? So it should be At Bi Ba U. What is it? At Bi Ba U. Are you with me? That is the actual thing according to the pattern of Af'ilahu. But it has undergone a change. What is the change? As you can see, brothers and sisters, there is a kasra on ba, Af'i, la'u. And there is a sukoon on ta. We give kasra here, we change it, and we give sukoon here. Now pronounce it. Because of these two, we have a shadda. Sahi? So you will say, Atibba'u. Huh? See, it underwent a little change. So, but the wazan is Af'ilahu. So whenever you have two letters coming together, you will see it will undergo a change like this. When more of it will come, I'll point out to you. So it is Tabibun, which is actually Atbiba'u, change into Atibba'u. Atibba'u. Sahi, brothers and sisters? So it is still on the wazan of Af'ilahu. If you can write down this in your note, then inshallah. The only thing that we did, brothers and sisters, we changed vowel signs. We took the kasra from B and gave it to ta. We took a sukoon of ta and put it on ba. Is it correct, Brother Hassan? That's what it happened. Fine, brother. Now, Brother Abdul Samad, Fatan is young fellow, young man, you can say young fellow. What is the plural? Fityatun. What is it? Fityatun. Is it sound or broken? Broken, huh? Okay. So it is also on the wazan. Fi'alatun. What is the wazan? Fi'alatun. Okay. Now, akhun. Huh? Ikhwatun. Ikhwatun. So that is also on the pattern of broken plural, fi'alatun. But ikhwatun has two plurals. Ikhwatun and, do you know the other one? Akhwan. Ikhwanun. Ikhwanun. What is the other one? Ikhwanun. So there are two. Both are broken. Ikhwatun and ikhwanun. Both are broken. But the noun can have many patterns of plural. And that is the vastness of the Arabic language, brother. That is why the Arabs were the first to develop the art of poetry and take it to the highest form of eloquence. You know, when the Europe was still in dark ages, the knowledge, the light, enlightenment was already there in the Middle East. Wherever Islam went, it took the knowledge with itself, you know. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we come to Jadidun. What is the plural? Brother Salman, what is the plural? Jududun. Judani, Judu. Jududun. Do you see a pattern there? What is the pattern? Four. Can you relate it to something yet? See, same pattern. Jududun, Fu'ulun, Kutubun, Rusulun. So you will always now feel the pattern, inshallah. And but then, what are the rest now? Mudarisun became Mudarisun. Muhandisun became Muhandisuna. And Fallahun became Fallahuna. Okay. And Mujtahidun became Mujtahiduna. Muslimun became Muna. Okay. Change Muslimun to Muslimatun and make it a sound feminine plural. Muslimatun. Sahi? It is coming in the next section. In this section, see again, it is Dr. Abdurrahim's policy, one thing at a time. In this section, it is only sound masculine plural. In the other section, it will be sound feminine. But you will come across all these plurals in the Quran. See, we have a great benefit that we read Quran, we are familiar with the Quran, so all these things are there. Now when you go back, you will go with a different approach, having this knowledge in you. Inshallah. We'll get a lot of verses for you, inshallah, brothers and sisters. Okay. Having done this, brothers and sisters, now we go to the beginning of the lesson. Are you with me? We will not analyze questions. Maybe some part of it, but otherwise we won't. Man haulai. Now again, I explained you before, but I'll again explain you, brothers and sisters. Haulai is plural of haza and hazihi. Haza and hazihi. Haza and hazihi. What is the meaning, brother? This. And then we have zalika and tilka. What is the meaning? That. Now the plural form of haza hazihi, haulai. What will be the translation? These. And what is the plural of this, which is coming little later? Ulaika. Those. Are you with me? Yes.
These are also broken.
No, we won't. Yeah, of course they are there. But they are mabni. They are mabni. Okay? These are all ism ishara. They are pronouns. Yes.
So there is no difference between masculine and feminine. The plural is only one.
Plural is one. This is haulai and ulaika. Okay. No difference. These are all ismu ishara. But when you have to point out to more than two, then you use haulai. Okay, there is a dual form that we'll do later on, brother. So the question is, Man haula'il fityatu tiwalu ya Ali. Okay, brother. Haulai is ismu ishara. Brother Abdul Samad, what is al-fityatu? Lost? No, I am only asking you something. Haulai, okay, ismu ishara has come, and after that, al-fityatu came. What is al-fityatu? No, don't say. Let Abdul Samad answer.
Okay, I was kind of lost. I didn't know which page you were.
Okay, I will repeat the question again, brother.